friends, Techman Pat here. Today we're doing something very unconventional. It's not really tech related in the sense that it's more of a cleaning test, but it is a tech product. You might have seen the review of this, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Check the links below, a fantastic robot. Now in that review I did similar testing, but I never really made a video about it. So I wanted to make this standalone video because hey, I've got all the time in the world, right? I've got a 1-year-old and yep, no, I don't have time. But I wanted to make this video because I thought it'd be really cool to see how well the robot can actually clean if you just completely make a mess of the home. In this case, the home is going to be a rug over here and this floor right here. This robot is a mop and vacuum combo. So what we're going to do in this video, huge thanks to Roborock for sending me, though I don't know if they really wanted me to do this. We'll see what the outcome is. We're gonna throw sand and mud and all sorts of things on this floor. We're gonna put some tomato sauce, salt reduced, because you know, don't have to have too much salt in your life. And then we're gonna go see how this robot cleans. Now, to give this robot the best chance we can, I have absolutely cleaned this robot to there and back, and we're gonna make sure it goes on full power. All the settings are gonna go to max. The suction is gonna go to 6,000 pascals. The mopping is gonna go maximum 3,000 vibrations a minute. And we're also gonna make sure that it does double the amount of work that it usually does in this house because it's gonna be an extra load of dirt right here. So let's get started by making this floor a mess. Then we're gonna run the robot and then we're gonna grab a Dyson vacuum and handheld. We're gonna vacuum up this area and see how much was actually left over by the robot. So let's get started by rolling the intro. Alright folks, here we have an assortment of dirt that my wife will kill me if I use these bowls, but luckily she doesn't watch my videos, so thumbs up for that. We have some tomato sauce. We're gonna smear it on the floor here, not on the carpet obviously. We've got some Weet-Bix that my son didn't eat, so that's just leftovers, which is lucky. We've got some sand, we've got some dirt, and we've got some coffee ground. So this is just coffee I made literally a few minutes ago. And then we've got some mud. All of this stuff actually kind of comes in my house anyway. The dog runs through mud and sand, and the kiddo puts tomato sauce everywhere and Weet-Bix, and generally there's some sand involved because that's from his sand pit. So what we're gonna do is gonna spread all this stuff, the dry stuff on the carpet and the wet stuff on this ground right here, because we wanna see the quality of the mop and we wanna see the quality of the vacuum over here. Okay, the floor is an absolute mess. It's got sand and it's got mud, bit of tomato sauce. You know, this is what happens after you get into a bit of a party. You invite some people over, there is dirt everywhere, people have walked stuff through. I've left a little clump right there. Great. Let's see how the Roborock does. Alright folks, there you have it. It is done. Look at the floor. The difference is significant. Obviously, we made a massive mess. If I go in closer, this was where the actual mud was. It is not there, which is fantastic. We do have a little bit of dirt dragged into this area here, which is unfortunate, but I mean, look, if your carpet is level with the actual floor, there shouldn't be an issue. But because this is an actual rug, that just happens. Now, what we're gonna do is gonna get the Dyson out and give this a vacuum and see how much sand and dirt was left over. Check this out. This is how much we caught inside. And it's not too bad. Bit of fluff pulled from the carpet. We can sort of ignore that. But this is the sand that was left over. That is not much at all, especially after the pretty much almost entire bowl that I spilt of sand in here, plus the dirt. So if you vacuum every day and not spill sand inside your room, you'll be absolutely fine. So there you have it, folks, the little robot that could. I'm impressed as I was in my review. Actually, a lot more now because of the amount of cleanliness it managed to do with the mess we made. Absolutely impressive. I cannot fault this machine right now. Yes, it took a little bit longer because it doubled up on a lot of things like the mopping, and yes, it used quite a bit more power. You probably wouldn't use this setting across the entire home, but if there is a particular mess, a spot in the house, you can use the app and send this robot to that spot and just tell it to nuke it, and it will. And it'll come out pretty darn spotless. So folks, thank you very much for watching. Big thanks to Roborock. Check out the links below if you want to see where you can get this robot. Check out the full review too, because you'll get a bit more information about the specific of this bot. And of course, if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. But I doubt I'll do more content like this because I don't think my wife will like me bringing in all this dirt into the house. Though you cannot even see that there was dirt in the house. So impressive nonetheless. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all in another one. Bye!